Hey everyone, if you're like me and you're tired of giving Adobe your hard-earned money and you want to uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud, well, I'm going to show you how to easily do it. But if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first things first, just go open your Google and then search for uninstall Creative Cloud. Click on enter. And as you can see, it'll pop up right here. It's by Adobe. Click on it. Now all you have to do now is download their uninstaller, so I'm just gonna click on download. And as you can see, there's steps here as well, but I'll walk you through it, so let's just close this for now. And then open my downloads. And then here, it's a zipped file, so you will need something like WinRAR or WinZip. Just click on extract all and click on extract. Now you'll get a folder like this, double click it, and then it'll open like this. Now all you have to do is right click and then run as administrator. There will be a prompt that pops up, so just click on yes and then click here on uninstall. So as you can see, Creative Cloud has been successfully uninstalled, and as you can see, it also auto uninstalls the uninstaller, but you can just get these two and then drag them into the recycle bin. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.